Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
जीतू भैया सेज दैट टफ बैटल लड़ने से कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है.
मेरा वो है दोस्ती कोई रिवीजन थोड़ी है जो करनी है.
मेरा तो जीतू भैया का वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल है.
आई थिंक कि ये लाइन अच्छी है जीतू भैया की, ये मैं भी टेक अवे करना चाहता हूँ इसे.
पैसे नहीं दोगे तो 50 कंट्रीज. नहीं, आई एम जोकिंग.
2 years seem to have been a really long time to wait for a show that has undoubtedly been one of our favorites. Welcome to India Forums, all of y'all. We have the cast and director with us today. It's a pleasure to have y'all. First things first, how is the response been so far, and what is the kind of excitement or nervousness that y'all have been putting up with in what's going to happen in the next 4-5 days?
Thank you for having us, first of all. You know the response. It's all there on the season 1's response, the season 2's trailer response. Everything is there on YouTube to be seen. All the views, all the comments, all the Instagram pages. You can see people are excited. They're waiting. 2 years have elapsed. Yet that fandom, that excitement has not died out, and that is extremely heartwarming. I don't think I remember a show where people waited for 2 years and are still invested in the characters, are still invested in the story, and want to know what's the natural progression of the story. And the fact that it is going on Netflix, it's just amazing for us creators, us actors, and from a YouTube show to being seen in 190 countries. That's a huge step. I think that says it all.
Right. Also, my next question was on the similar lines about obviously the fact that this has happened is a huge thing. But as actors and as creators, how has the process of the transition been for y'all? The differences, the additions, the subtractions, everything.
So like how Raghav's just said that the response was great, but also at the same time when there's a season 2 and when people have really appreciated the first season, and then when there's a season 2 in the making, there is a lot of responsibility because you don't want to let anybody down, and people are going nuts over it. They love the show so much, so you don't want to let them down, and they love every character on the show. So they are looking forward to Meena's character, and they're looking forward to Uday's and Vaibhav's and Shivangi's and Vartika's. So as actors, there is a sense of pressure when it comes to, not letting the audience and the fans down. But we are very lucky that we have great creators on the show. We have great writers and director who will always help you at every step, at every moment. So even before going on floors, we had a couple of days where we read the scenes, we sat together, we came back, we watched the show again, the season 1. But even like Raghav did not want the same, he did not want us to mimic everything that we did in the first season. As actors and as characters, he wanted us to portray our character in more depth, to explore it more. So even in the second season, you see every character in more depth. You see more of their story. Everybody has a different thing going on. So I think that's what I love about this season. And like I said, it came with a lot of responsibility and pressure, but I think we had a great team to work with, and everybody helped each other. Even the co-actors helped each other. So I think it made everything easy.
All right. Also, again, something that you rightly pointed out, since every character has their own thing going on. So this is probably to all 4 of y'all. This season, what is the kind of character graph that we're going to see in terms of growth, and in terms of what is going to be the highlight of every single character for this season?
Mine is to for sure that student-teacher relationship, and वही जो हमने जो सीज़न 1 में हमने छोड़ा था उसी को हम थोड़ा और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनको हमने छुआ है इस बार, जिसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करना चाहते, या बहुत इजी है, बहुत बेसिक है, बट फिर भी हम उसको जानबूझ के अवॉइड करते हैं। हम एक लंबा सर्कल लेते हैं और वो स्ट्रेट बात नहीं करते। तो ऐसी बहुत सारी बात है जिसमें आप जब छोटे होते हो और आपको लगता है कि एक मैच्योरिटी आ रही है आपके अंदर और आप उस तरह की बातें करना चाहते हो पर नहीं कर पाते, तो वो अंदर रह जाती, तो आपके दोस्त आपको हेल्प करते हैं वो चीज़ें आपसे निकलवाने में। तो वही जो आपका बीइंग ए स्टूडेंट, आपका क्या प्रोसेस होता है, क्या डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होती है और आप उसको कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे, और फिर भी हंसते हुए आगे जा रहे हो, तो वही सारी चीज़ें एज अ वैभव और मेरे सारे को एक्टर्स।
करेक्ट.
All right. Also, Raghav, this is a question for you. The last season ended with a scene that goes into colors. Was there a particular reason why that happened? And because we know that it's not something that's going to change in the second season, but what was the thought process behind giving that color to the last scene of the last season that we saw?
You know, the intent I made this thing with loses its meaning the moment I tell you the reason. We're making art over here. I want this to be a timeless piece. I don't want age to catch up on this series. So when you see something like that, what do you infer from it? What do you derive from it? What do you make of it? And that is what art is, right? It makes you begs you to question what is the meaning of that. And I think it's very old school that, you know, you watch something and makes you wonder, what does it really mean? So you don't ask a painter why he went and did that brush stroke at that sea tip end of the wave of Kanagawa. You don't go on asking. So it's very simple like that. What do you infer from it? What do you make of it? And that is right. So there's same answer goes for why is it in black and white? What do you make of it? That is the right answer.
All right. Okay. That was beautifully put. Another something that I want to know, maybe not in detail, but this is a question for Vaibhav. When we saw how things went on during the last episode of the last season, there's this fine line between how you as a mentee are about to probably turn a mentor for someone who's new in preparing for the classes, right? How are things going to shape up for you individually? And are we going to see glimpses of what we have seen you being on the other side? Will you be on the other side now?
I'm a wannabe mentor. I'm not totally. मैंने जो देखा है मैं वो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. वो अंदरूनी तौर पे वो उतना मच्योर्ड नहीं है जितना वो कह रहा है, बट ऑब्वियसली आपको अपने दोस्त को रिलैक्स करना होता है, तो कभी कभी आप झूठ बोल लेते हो, कभी उन चीज़ों का सहारा ले लेते हो. कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि जैसे मैंने सामने वाले बंदे को कभी सुना है तो मुझे लगता है कि वो मैं हूँ, कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगने लग जाता है ना, और फिर आप उसको रिप्लिकेट करने की कोशिश करते हो, पर आप होते नहीं हो, आप झूठ बोल रहे होते हो. तो हो सकता है वो झूठ भी बोल रहा हो सकता है वो सच भी बोल रहा हो. विल गेट टू नो ऑन 24 September.
Okay. Alam and Ranjan, you all have not spoken a lot, so I'll direct this question to the two of you all. The show has been a source of inspiration for a lot of people. All of us know that for obvious reasons. And given जो time पे ये show आ रहा है, like right now everyone can use the tiniest of glimmer of hope in any possible way because everyone's home, there is a pandemic and everything that's been happening. Have you all ever heard first-hand stories of anyone ki, you know, someone came up to you all and told you all ki, you know, this show did this for me, or anything, any anecdote that you probably have to share?
बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे थे जिन्होंने मतलब बताया. इनफैक्ट माय एल्डर सिस्टर, शी गॉट इतना ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड हो गई वो इस शो से कि मतलब उन्होंने भी अपने वक्त में ऐसा यही लाइफ बताया था, तो सब ने ही रिलेट किया बेसिकली उससे. तो सब ने ही बहुत कुछ सीखा. जो भी मिलता है वो कहता ही है कुछ ना कुछ कि भाई हमने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिला शो देख के, और बड़ा ही अच्छा शो है, बहुत कुछ सिखाता है. स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स जिनको जो हमारे पास ऐसे आते हैं देखते हुए कि थैंक्स टू दिस मैन जिन्होंने आज जिनकी वजह से हम सब यहाँ पर हैं और लोग आते हैं हमसे इतना इंस्पायर होते हैं कि आपने हमें ये सिखाया है और मीना ने हमें ये सिखाया है और वैभव पांडे ने हमें ये सिखाया है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। और हम तो क्या ही सिखाएंगे, हम वो किरदार है जिन्होंने सिखाया, हम कुछ सीखते हैं उस कैरेक्टर से, उस किरदार से। तो या दैट्स इट।
हाँ तो मतलब इन जनरल डीएम्स में ऐसे मैसेज तो कई ऐसे आए हैं कि हाँ तो कि मैंने अपने ये शो अपने मम्मी के साथ देखा, नानी के साथ देखा, ऐसा आर्ट उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया आपका कैरेक्टर, पूरा शो। तो आई थिंक कैरेक्टर सिखाना न सिखाना हो तो आदमी खुद अच्छा होता है, वो चीज़ें सुनता है तो लगता है कि अच्छा हाँ मैं भी ऐसा सोच रहा था, अच्छा अब ये करेंगे। बट ये बनाया है ऐसा इतना बढ़िया शो कि हर कोई को देख के वो ठहराव है ना पूरे शो में, हर जगह वो एक स्लो अच्छा पेस पे हर चीज़, हर इमोशंस बाहर आते हैं। तो वो आई थिंक कि अगर अच्छी बातें उस शो में कर दिया ऐसे शो में, फिर सब लोगों को लगता है कि वह क्या अच्छी बातें हैं, क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है। तो ऐसे तो मैंने बहुत ऐसे 60 से ऊपर वाले एजेज जो देखे हैं लोग, उनका सुना हो कि बहुत अच्छा लगा उनको शो, बहुत प्यारा लगा उनको शो, बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया जो भी कहा जा रहा है। तो वो आई थिंक ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने इन्जॉय किया, हर एज के लोगों ने इस तरीके से बनाया शो, तो एक अच्छी बात थी।
इनफैक्ट लोग क्या इंस्पायर होंगे, मैं खुद ये शो करने के दौरान जब कोटा में होता हूँ 1-2 महीने, तो मेरा खुद का ऐसे हो जाता है यार चलो ये तैयारी वैयारी करते हैं बढ़िया, तो और कुछ इंजीनियर ही बन जाते हैं। तो मतलब बड़ा ही अगर कोई ये शो देखेगा ना तो उसको काफ़ी ऐसे ये लाइफ, अगर कोई ऐसे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ है इनकी भी, मतलब आप बैठे नहीं हैं, अगर एक तरह से देखा जाए ना तो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है, इनकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है, मतलब ये एक्टिव हुए पड़े हैं एकदम, तो वो बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग लगता है।
All right. Also, the elephant in the room, that is, we briefly see that Jeetu Bhaiya goes missing and he's left and he's not. We don't see any outright glimpse of him. So, if there's a tiniest of hint that you could probably give us about what's going to happen on that front and how are things about to change on that front, probably Raghav or anyone who wants to answer this.
So, one thing when we were writing the show, when right after the success of season 1, we had to really hit the drawing board because we knew what the graphs of each season is going to be, and we at least knew when we were writing season 1, so we knew what's going to happen in 2, 3 and 4. And the moment it became this huge thing, we really had to go back and think, is season 2 the most organic, the most natural way the story should progress? What would happen? And we really need to go back and reflect and think about if our ideas are right, if they're true. Would the audience be okay with this? And it came as a resounding yes. So when you ask about Jeetu Bhaiya, we evidently know that he has left Prodigy. And there are things that happen so we wanted to also bring out the flavor of the city. We painstakingly established the city as a character in season 1. Now we need to show how the city also changes, how the perspective of the city changes, what the coaching institutions are like now, individual coaching institutes, famous teacher moving from one place to another. What happens to the students then? What happens to students who move from one place to another? What are their lives like? What happens to friends when a friend leaves? What happens to the group when the friends meet again? So what are the problems, new set of problems you face as you're growing up? We have to remember that this is a coming of age show. So there will be a certain set of problems very specific for the characters that we will be exploring in season 2 and the subsequent seasons that follow. And the people have loved the characters so much, so it was a very natural and organic way to make the characters bloom while progress the story of Kota Factory forward.
All right. Last question to all of y'all. If I were to ask y'all, what has every single person take away from the show so far been? Now that y'all are 2 seasons into the show, what would it be for each one of y'all?
I think everything, the show in itself is so beautiful and it teaches you so many things. To give just one thing is going to be very difficult, but I think like even in the second season trailer where Jeetu Bhaiya says that कि बैटल टफ होती है आई डोंट वांट टू गिव द टफ बैटल लड़ने से कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है सो टू नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम एनीथिंग जस्ट फेस एवरीथिंग इवन लाइक फेस योर फियर्स वॉट एवर इज बॉदरिंग यू जस्ट गो एंड फाइट इट आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट द शो सेज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स सो आई थिंक दैट इज माई टेक अवे फ्रॉम इट
मैं भी बोलूँगा क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं था इन जनरल कभी ऐसे शो से टेक अवे का बट आई थिंक कि ये लाइन अच्छी है जीतू भैया की ये मैं भी टेक अवे करना चाहता हूँ इसे
वन मोर टेक अवे
गाइस
मेरा वो है दोस्ती को रिवीजन थोड़ी है जो करनी है दिस इज माय टेक
मेरा तो जीतू भैया का वीजा ऑन अराइवल है पैसे नहीं दोगे तो 50 कंट्रीज नहीं आई एम जोकिंग जो मैं मेरा खुद का जो मैं मेरे पापा से बात करता हूँ फ़ोन करके जो मैंने मेरी डायलॉग में बोला है इसको जो समझाता हूँ मैं कि तू अपने पापा से बात कर वो जो बोले कर तो मैं अब वही करता हूँ तो उदय ने मुझे ये सिखाया और कोटा फैक्ट्री ने मुझे ये सिखाया कोटा फैक्ट्री ने तो बहुत कुछ सिखाया
All right. Okay. I think that was that from my end. Thank you so much, guys, for talking to us, and I'm really looking forward to the show. So, wishing you all the very best.
थैंक यू सो मच
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.